HVAC Miami 786-946-1046 Repair and Replacement. How you can benefit from HVAC. If your business needs an affordable way to cool and heat your office or other workspace, you should look into Flow-Tech Commercial HVAC. This company has many features that make it one of the most effective systems around. You can count on these professionals to provide you with an effective air conditioning system no matter what your needs may be. The system is designed to keep your office or other space at a comfortable temperature so you can conduct business as usual while your employees remain productive. When you are choosing an air conditioning system for your workplace, there are a number of different things you need to consider. The benefits of HVAC Miami companies extend beyond just cool air conditioning. There are several different systems they offer to businesses large and small. If you're searching for the type of commercial HVAC Miami companies depend on, you've come to the right place. These experts provide a wide array of expertise, including, if you want to find a reliable HVAC technician in your area, you should look into the services offered by HVAC Miami. This company has an experienced team of technicians who are ready to help you with all your cooling and heating needs. With all the benefits this company has to offer, you're sure to find the perfect solution for your needs. Whether you're looking for refrigeration, air conditioning, or both, you can find an expert in Miami who can provide you with the cooling service you need. Check out the benefits offered by HVAC Miami companies today, and you'll be able to make the best decision for your business. Whether you're looking for refrigeration or a professional HVAC repair, you can trust the professionals at HVAC Flow-Tech Air Conditioning and Heating.